We have to do some work on the radar arch, and we need to install an E-perb right there. The E-perb needs to screw into the aluminum arch, equidistant just like the horn is over there. And because of all this canvas in the front and the canvas in the back, we cannot reach it. So we're going to see if we can reach it with this man lift. And if that's not going to work, then we've got to take the boat into the haul out well and use the man lift to reach it from the haul out well. The only problem is we can't get there today because they're real busy hauling out boats for the season. So let me walk around without falling overboard. And we're just doing a test drive right now to see if it will reach far enough. And if it does, then we'll start the boat up, flip the boat around, and see if we can reach it. Look at that telescope coming out. By golly, I think it's going to work. We looked all over the machine. It doesn't say how long its reach is. It just tells us it'll only hold 500 pounds or 2 occupants. So I think this is going to do the trick. So now he's got to go back. I've got to start the boat, untie it, flip it around, and we will be in business. If you want to find a more difficult way to do something, like screw an E-perb up right there, ask Captain Chris.